So over here, what you can actually do is, let's say, for example, make some notes as you like. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click on sample right here. Sample node, I'm going to bring it in and keep it right here. And let's say, for example, I got some shapes as well. Let's say if I want to go ahead and then share this out with someone else, one of the ways to do that is by exporting out a PDF file that you can share with others, or you can save it out as you like. So to do that, you can click on the three dot button right here, and here you can see that download as PDF is an option. Once you go ahead and click right here, then what happens is that you can see it says download as PDF. So if I were to go around and click on print right here, just like this, you can see that I have saved to PDF as an option. So once I go ahead and save this out, right here, you can see that it creates a preview. I'm going to go ahead and save it right here. So now you can see that there's this PDF file right here. And as I open it, you will be able to see all of the pages right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So once I went to download as PDF, you notice that it actually went to the print option. So you can also go around and select out any printer as you like and print it out as you like from over here as well. So instead of saving a PDF file, you will be able to print it out. So you can choose the odd pages only or even pages only, choose like black and white or color print right here. And then you can go to settings and choose the paper size as you want, and then arrange out everything as you wish. So that is how you can go ahead and export out contents as PDF inside of Jotboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.